Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to go over the Nets Educenter mobile application. This is just a demo, so keep in mind that as we go along, there might be some things that aren't quite perfect or maybe some graphics that aren't that awesome, but we will change them as we go along. This is just a demo. To start, I'd like to check out the home page. Now this is what the home page looks like. We can create up to 5 sliders underneath. As you can see, they slide across here, and we can choose them to fade or slide. And when we put these in, we can also add a link to them. So as we go along, keep in mind that if there's a page that you'd like to come up when you click on a slider, we can have it go there too. Once we get into the app, I want to check out the first page, which is the Locations tab. And the Locations tab is cool because it has 3 cool features: the call us, the email, and then the address. And underneath, we haven't put any in, but if you'd like to put hours, you can put your hours of operations underneath there. If we check out the upper right hand corner here, that's the GPS feature where it's like turn by turn how to get there. Now let's go back out and check out the Tutors tab. This is one of them things I was thinking about for Nets Educenter, that we could put in the tutors, and if you see here, we can have them go by subject or whatever they are good at, and then we can have a little headshot and their name. And when we click on that tab, it comes up, and we can have a little header image, whatever they would like to have or you would like to have in there, and then have a description about them and a call button so they can access or be able to reach this tutor very easy. And then on top of that, we can add a little thing in here where we can comment. Now these comments will link back to Facebook, Twitter, or Google Plus, and you can leave a comment or testimonial about that specific tutor. Okay, let's back up again and check out the testimonial section. Now this is a nice feature. This is done by location, so people, whatever your location is set at, cannot reach testimonials from people too far away. We want to keep it local. We want to keep the consistency with what people are feeling in the area. So what you'll do is you'll click on this, and it allows you to check in using Gmail or Google Plus or Twitter, and you can see the Facebook and Twitter logins down there. Now, when we do that, then we can leave a testimonial or a comment of some sort, and it will also put their headshot and their link back to their Facebook page. Another one that I really like is the lesson notes feature. I think that this is good for the student to be able to keep the app, and at that point in time, it creates a reason to come back because they can continuously record their lessons and keep their valuable information in the app, or send it to where it needs to go via email. Now there's a few other things in the app, and these are just some of them. You can go through them. Feel free to go through them yourself and see what you think about them. Now they are some are unfinished, some are finished. You can see I added the Facebook page in, so we can pull your Facebook and social media into the app, and that's a great thing because if you're running that, we want to keep people visiting your page and seeing your information regularly. And instead of having to update everything, maybe we can just update your Facebook page and have that feed into your app for some updating instead of having to update a bunch of different spots at one time. I wanted to add in a little services tab, and you can see we can change these icons so everyone can have a different icon. And this is the old page design, as you saw with the tutors. And if we go back real quick, and I'll show you just real quick, that this is the new page design, and all of our info tiers come with both new page and old page design. And this is the old page design right here, where we can have a full width page. Now check this out. I pulled this off the website and kind of crammed it in here just to get some content so you could see what it would look like. Pretty basic, pretty simple. Another thing that we can do is we can add your YouTube videos. We can pull those through. Now push notifications are great, and I'll get to that in a second when I show you the dashboard on how all this works, and you'll see what those are. We can have quick contact forms. This is a very good feature, especially for you guys if you have people needing to be reached, and we want to automate it a little more. So let's check out the dashboard now that runs this whole app, which is going to be the trick for you guys. It's going to be what sets it apart from the rest. Let's bring this up here. Shrink this page down. Now you can see this is where we add all the tabs in, and all these right here are considered tabs. So if you look at this list here, all the tabs are in there. Now you're going to access this dashboard by coming to our website, visiting apps.fuwakconnections.com, and you will be able to enter your password, your username and password in, and log into this dashboard from any computer. We also have a mobile application that allows you to update and send push notifications and check your analytics while you're on the go. Keep that in mind. Now, we have 5 steps to keeping up with your application. 1, the functionality. 2, content. 3, appearance. 4 is where you can preview, and 5 is your publish tab. Now, once the app is live, we won't need to mess with the publish tab again because that is going to be the same all the time. But what we will continue to use is section 1, 2, and 3 as we update and continue to add new features and change content within our application. So we're going to start with the functionality tab. This is where we list all of the app tabs that are in the app. Now, if you check it out over here, these are all the same. These are all considered app tabs, as well as these ones right here. So when we come over here, you can see that they are listed in order as what's on the app. So if we grab one of these and drag it around, it's going to resize it on the app over here live. Okay, now once we do that, if you want to add a new tab, I'll show you real quick. This is how you do it. You come up in here, you can see you add your tab title, choose the function, and then we can pick a icon over here. And there's many of them already put in the system for you. And then hit save changes and it'll add it to the list. Now next we're going to go over here to content. It's that simple. When you want to add some stuff to this thing, all you have to do is come in, find the appropriate spot, plug in the information, hit save changes. Each page is listed above, and again, it's in order of the app. So if you drag and move one of these, it's going to reorder the tabs on the application live. That's awesome because it's so we can edit this app without having to republish it many times in the App Store and saving a lot of development hours and costs while keeping the app updated. That's why it's so cheap and really good for small business. All right, now, if you want to see how we all right, next we're going to move on to the appearance tab, which is going to show us how we add our tabs along the bottom, the buttons, and we can pick those out from a list that we have in here, or you can make your own and upload them right here. Okay, this allows you to see how many rows you want, add in all kinds of different colors, and change everything. That's all the color schemes and everything are going on in the app. It happens right here. Okay, now when we're done with that, we can come over to this tab, which is the background images tabs, and this allows us to upload all the pictures and sliders that we want for all the mobile phones, iPhones, and then the iPads and tablets. And that allows us to keep the size and pictures different sizes for each screen. Now when we're done, you can either view it in the preview tab in the app dashboard, or you can grab your smartphone and scan the QR code right here, and that will download our previewer application. Use the app code that's written here, leave the password blank, and then you can preview the app on your phone and swipe through all the features yourself. Thanks for watching today. It's been a pleasure demoing our mobile application dashboard for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@fuwak.com or give us a call at 330-595-9139. Again, I thank you and have a nice day.